How to use Perplexity AI for fact checking. To use Perplexity AI for fact checking, you could ask basic questions in the search bar, then critically review the generated answer by clicking the numbered citations. What you want to do is open up Perplexity app onto your device and log in. So it serves as a powerful real-time fact-checking tools as well, Perplexity AI. So what you need is just enter the specific claim, and you could to receive a summarized answer backed by real-time news. You could press release or academic journal as well. You could also narrow your search to a specific domain to increase the reliability. You could just go ahead and use the academic mode to prioritize peer-reviewed journals and scholars article over general web content as well. And for a complex topic, you could use this feature available with a pro or limited free daily use as well. And likewise, you could also go ahead and upload a file. So you could just click onto this paperclip icon and upload the file in order to fact check. So this way you should be able to use Perplexity AI. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.